Tansen Michiwaganak, Monok Samson Nisika-san. Hi, my friends. My name is Monok Samson, and I want to go over some Northern Cree Michif animal names. All right, so I created this little resource, and you can use it with GDI's Northern Michif Online Dictionary. So you can type in different animals, you can find how they're spelt in Michif, and you can hear a language keeper, Northern Michif language keeper, Vince Aheneque. You can hear his voice. And that's what I did. All right. So I went on there and I filled in what it sounds like. So I listened to Vince and I used his voice to write in what it sounds like. So I'm going to go over it with all of you. To say mouse, we say apaksis, apaksis. So at home, try saying these words with me. Apaksis, apaksis. That's a mouse. To say a cat, you say minus, minus, minus. To say dog, we say atim, atim, atim. To say horse, mistatim, mistatim, mistatim. All right, so it's really cool about Michif is sometimes it's really descriptive. So atim is a dog, mistatim is a big dog, a bigger dog. That's what they would describe their horses as, bigger dogs. Mistatim. Next, deer, apsimosus, apsimosus, apsimosus. To say moose, moshwa, moshwa, moshwa. To say bear, mashqua, mashqua, mashqua. To say cow, and my students love saying this one, mushtush, mushtush, mushtush. And even better yet, to say buffalo, pasqua mushtush, pasqua mushtush, pasqua mushtush. So mushtush is a cow. Pasqua mushtush, that's a prairie cow. Pasqua mushtush, prairie cow. To say wolf, maikan, maikan, maikan. To say rabbit, we say wapush, wapush, wapush. To say eagle, mikisu, mikisu, mikisu. And what I really think is cool about Northern Cree Michif, sometimes they shorten the words. So you could say Mickey Sue, or if you look on GDI's Northern Cree Michif dictionary, it'll also say Mixu, Mixu. So make sure you check out that awesome resource. To say raven, kahkagoo, kahkagoo, kahkagoo. To say duck, sisip, sisip, sisip. To say chicken, lpul, lpul, lpul. To say bird, pisis, pisis, pisis. To say fish, poisson, poisson, poisson. And there's my favorite one here is shagak. And that's skunk. Shagak. 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 I left a few lines if you guys want to look up some of your own favorite animals and see if it's in the dictionary. All right. I also have a song that Laura Burnoff, Northern Michif language keeper, Laura Burnoff. She came to my old school, Gayas, a few years ago, a little while back, and she taught me some awesome songs. So in the next video, I'm going to teach you how to sing that animal song. It's a lot of fun. Okay, so Marrsi, thank you. Egua, muistas. We'll see you guys again.